This is the Cybilleland government. This emergency will be followed. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Due to the information, we have a warning to everyone. In Argelès Sur Mer, 6 in the morning, a storm will be spotted on the beach. 8:50 a.m. in a storm time, the tornado has been spotted. All you have to take is water, foods, pets that you have in home, and your phone and laptops ever known. As computers, you better go to the basement if you have one. This is all your info. The emergency will be followed.